How to generate image from text using Canvas Media Magic. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can easily generate images from text with Canva's new Magic Media feature. First thing you want to do is go to canva.com, and then from there you basically want to create a design. For that, you can just scroll down here and then go to Canva AI. Now you can just go ahead and click on create an image. You can select any prompt you want and generate an image with it. So I'll just do something like mountains with sunset. Well, let's do sunrise and then hit enter. Now it's going to start generating some images for you. You can pick out whichever you want. So there are certain images that you can choose from. Let's say this one looks pretty good with the sunrise, so I can just tap on it. And if you want to download it, you can just go ahead and click on the download option here, and then download it as PNG or JPEG. That's basically it, guys. It's as easy as that. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and there are other cinematic styles that you can use as well. And that's basically it. If this tutorial was helpful to you, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one.